Welcome to the first ever Lego Marvel Superheroes review. So, today I am going to be reviewing the Wolverines Chopper Showdown. 201 pieces, building toy. Of course, Wolverine with Wolverine, Deadpool, and Magneto. Okay, so let's look at some of the features. Let's just look at the front. 6 of 12, number 6866. Again, 201 pieces. So yeah, it seems legit. I actually made in like half an hour. Then I went to eat, so it took more than half an hour. Let's look at the back. There you go. So let's see one of the first. Okay, so you can turn that around. Turn the chopper around. You could shoot. You could shoot a little bit. Okay. You could shoot some. Here's some lights. And Deadpool, Magneto, Wolverine. That. Okay. Now, on to mini figures. Look at the first segment, which has Wolverine. There you go. I'll let it. Okay, there. A Wolverine. So yeah, he has some nice. Wait, it might be. Wait. Maybe blurry, but you know, it's okay. Let me see if I can fix it. There it is. Fixing. Okay. It's back. So yeah, it's going to be an okay review. Okay, on to the next minifigure. We have Deadpool. Wait. Deadpool. There you go. Got Deadpool. No, back. He's wearing a mask and a gun and a sword in the back with this little thing here. And, yeah, some good printing. So, yeah, next person, Magneto. I'll be getting that. Okay. So here you can, he like Metal Man, it's kind of like that. Nice helmet. My favorite part of this review is the helmet, probably. So, yeah. Not a little bit of printing there, as you can see. Okay, so now on to a little part of the set, which is the motorbike. So here's a motorbike. So yeah, pretty cool. As you can see, you can put like a minifigure there. In the final segment. Is the Chopper Showdown. Okay, so let's start with some of the additions, so you can shoot that. So there you go. I'm gonna put that back at the end of the vid. Okay, and you can spin around that. Oh, okay, it has some wheels at the bottom. I don't know if you can see that, but wheels, so it can drive. There you go. Okay, so let's look at the front. So the glass where you can put Deadpool in. There's the top. Turn it around. There's the side, same thing as the other side. Here's the back. Sorry if it's shaky, just turn it around. We are all the people in here. Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching this review, and Thanks for watching. In 3, 2, 1. Bye.